Short video to show you how to make a discussion with a video. So you go here on discussions, you click discussion, give a title to your discussion, and then you're going to post your question. So let's say right here, upload, record, and then there is with your video. You ask your question. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Oh, momento. You need to click start recording. 3, 2, 1. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? You publish your question. And then the person that you're talking to is going to first you need to post your activity, post your discussion, excuse me. Save and publish. Send the link to the other person so the other person can respond. So when they receive the link, they click reply. And they do exactly the same that you did. Click here, upload, record, and then again start recording. Me llamo Juan. And then there's the response. From there, you start the thread, and this person posts the reply, and then the person can continue with the responses. Just recording videos, asking questions, and answering questions. So that's the way to put a conversation together on Canvas. I hope this is helpful. Talk to you later. Adios.